Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this OnePlus Nord N20 SE and you are looking for how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You want to click on your N20 settings section. After click over there, just scroll all the way down and then you will find here something say system setting. After click over system setting, you're going to find here something say date and time. After click over date and time, we will see this is the date and it's the time, but whenever we try to change it, this not appear or it's invisible. So if you want to change them, if you want to set them manually, you need to turn off this set time automatically. And after that, it will give you option to change the date and time. You can easily choose any date you want. Also, if you decide to change the time, you can simply change time anytime you want. And if I go back, we'll see my phone is going to be appear new date and time, which is quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. I will definitely suggest you to turn on automatically date and time. For example, you are in London and you went to Dubai, your phone going to be automatically appear that area time. So if you want to do that, obviously you need to turn on automatically date and time, which will help you to give you the exactly date and time current area you are. So if I go here setting, and then if I go again here system setting, date and time, and I'm going to click here set time automatically. So in this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.